Hey, we're here at iMovie, and I just want to show you a little something here. I ran into this a while ago when I started using iMovie again. It was super frustrating, and it's so easy to fix. So maybe there's someone out there that also has this problem, and it's very quick fix to it. If you ever tried, like, if you drag, let's take this video. It's like 6.5 minutes. You drag it into your timeline or whatever you call it, and then when you drop it, you see there's like hardly anything. It's so short, so you cannot really edit this in 6.5 minutes. You cannot edit anything because it's just too short, so you cannot get in there and put in the graphics and things like that because it shows up as this teeny little thing and it's really 6 minutes long. So I literally might be the only one that's ever had this problem. Maybe I'm just really slow. But I figured out you go here to settings, this little slider, and you just slide it, and boom. Then you can make it as long as you want. If you want to do it longer, you can drag it out really far, and then you can get in here and edit and add pictures and add sounds and whatever. So yeah, you just toggle it here on this little settings thing, and yeah, that's it. And problem solved. Off you are to the races. Okay, I hope this helped. Cheers, bye.